DJI has officially introduced the Mavic 4 Pro, a launch that comes as no surprise to anyone keeping tabs on the drone industry. After months of leaks and speculation, the new model is here, and it's time to see how it compares to its predecessor, the Mavic 3 Pro. The Mavic 3 Pro already had a strong reputation, offering a triple camera setup, high-resolution 5.1 video, and impressive battery life. It raised the bar for prosumer drones. So, does the new Mavic 4 Pro push things forward enough to make it worth the upgrade? At a glance, the Mavic 4 Pro looks familiar. The folding design and tri-camera layout remain, but there are subtle changes that become obvious once you handle it. It's slightly larger and heavier, around 100 grams more than the Mavic 3 Pro. This makes a difference when packing or carrying it around. One thoughtful design tweak is the redesigned gimbal guard. Unlike before, it no longer wraps around the rear, meaning you can now access the battery and SD card slot without removing it. Another small improvement, unfolding the drone now powers it on automatically. This is also true for the updated RC Pro 2 controller, which comes with several enhancements. A standout feature is the new Infinity Gimbal. This allows full 360-degree rotation and upward shooting at a 70-degree angle. It's remarkably stable, almost like a bird's head staying locked onto a target even as the body moves. For filmmakers and creators who work in tight spaces or want more dynamic angles, this unlocks a lot of creative potential. Camera-wise, the Mavic 4 Pro builds on the foundation of the Mavic 3 Pro. The main Hasselblad camera still has a 4/3 sensor, but now supports 6000 video at 60 fps and shoots 100 megapixel stills, up from the previous 20 MP. With dual native ISO and an upgraded dynamic range of 16 stops, up from 12/8, it handles highlights and shadows more effectively. The medium telephoto lens stays largely the same in terms of specs, but image processing has been enhanced. Expect sharper images and richer colors. The biggest leap comes from the telephoto camera, which was a weak spot on the Mavic 3 Pro. The new sensor is bigger and brighter, offering significantly better image quality, even in low light. Slow motion capabilities have been improved as well. Both the wide and medium telephoto cameras can now shoot 4000 at 120 fps, while the telephoto can do 4000 at 100 fps. All cameras now support 10-bit color with profiles like Vlog, Vlog-M, and Helg, ideal for post-production workflows. A major addition is the LiDAR system, which complements the existing vision sensors. While there's only one LiDAR sensor, it works alongside low-light vision technology to help the drone navigate even in dark or reflective conditions, something the Mavic 3 Pro struggled with. It can even return home without GPS, adding a new level of reliability. The RC Pro 2 controller has also been overhauled. You no longer have to screw on the sticks, they now fold down neatly. The 7-inch display is ultra bright at 2000 nits, supports log colors, and can be adjusted for vertical shooting. It's responsive, starts up instantly, and the battery lasts up to 4 hours. Internal storage is bumped from 32 GB to 128 GB, and it now supports DJI's mix system for in-flight audio capture, a nice perk for vloggers. Battery life sees a big boost too. While the Mavic 3 Pro advertised 46 minutes, real-world results were often closer to 30. The Mavic 4 Pro features a larger battery, rated for 51 minutes, and still manages to be lighter than you'd expect. It also offers significantly more internal storage, 64 GB on the base model, and up to 512 GB with the Creator Combo. Transmission tech has been upgraded with the Nuo 4 Plus system, doubling the range from 15 km to 30 km. Even if most users won't fly that far, this means a stronger, more stable connection in challenging environments. Price-wise, the Mavic 4 Pro starts at $2,699. With all the upgrades, it seems like solid value. However, there's a catch. DJI isn't currently selling it in the US due to regulatory complications. It's available in other markets like Canada and Mexico, but warranty support is limited if you import it. So, is it worth upgrading? For professionals who rely on their drone day in and day out, the answer is yes. The improvements are substantial: better image quality, smarter sensors, longer flights, and an improved user experience all around. If you're more of a casual flyer or content creator happy with the Mavic 3 Pro, you're still in good shape. But once you try the Mavic 4 Pro, especially with that controller and gimbal, it might be hard to go back.